Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and you are helping me procrastinate from cleaning the kitchen. Woohoo! So my daughter is having a Zoom party with her friends. My husband's out cleaning the garage, and I am about ready to go upstairs and clean the kitchen so my daughter and I, after her party, can make whoopie pies. Thanks, Rebecca. You're such an enabler. But I think I'm also going to make some banana bread while we're doing it too, because we have bananas that are just at the right point. So super, super excited. All right. So by the title, you see that today is a short video announcement of who the April's Diamond Painter of the Month winner is. I'm a little disappointed, guys. Like, there were amazing nominations, but then there weren't a lot. And I was thinking, you know, like, we're all in this shut-in, shelter-in-place globally across the world. And I just thought for sure we'd have like 100 people nominated. So I don't know what I can do to help you guys want to nominate people. So put down in the comments below, how can I encourage you? How can I make the process easier to nominate? And, you know, you don't, like, number one, you don't have to be a YouTube creator. Anyone can nominate. Anybody can win. Number two, you can nominate more than one person. So you just fill out a new form for each person. The form takes 1 minute, guys, 1 minute. It is not that hard. You can do it while you're sitting watching The Masked Singer if you want, or when you are between YouTube viewing opportunities. So the only requirements is that you don't nominate yourself and you don't nominate a winner from the past. I even put a list of who the winners are so you can double check. I have had some feedback that people are like, well, I don't nominate because only the YouTubers are winning. Well, number one, it's completely random. I have no, you know, I literally print off the list and read through it and then do a number picker comment. Like, it's not like who gets the most, who gets the least. It's just a random number comment picker. So it's, you know, everybody has an equal opportunity to win. And if you look at the list, it's actually pretty much 50-50. And the more you guys nominate people who are not YouTube creators, the more chance that those people have to win, right? The people who aren't YouTube creators. Sometimes I think the reason why YouTube creators have won is because people are nominating them because they're listening on the channel. I don't know. I'm rambling now. I'm probably rambling because I don't want to clean the kitchen. So I'm going to pick a color that I'm going to do. This is the pink raspberry, my Easter bunny that I'm doing, my collab with Lizzies World of Gems. Love you, Lizzie. And so I'm going to pick a color and I'm going to dive in and then we're going to read off this list. Also, I just ask if you congratulate people, don't put the winner's name down below. I will delete the comment or hide the comment because why I read through this and don't just pick a random person is that anyone nominated deserves to hear that they were nominated. And sometimes I've heard feedback where they see in the comments, oh, I didn't win. So I try to be supportive of everybody, and I think it's amazing if somebody, you know, listens and is like, oh my gosh, in a world of billions of people, somebody thought of me and my name and put me down on the list. And that's just powerful and amazing. So I'll get some wax in here. I'm not using any fancy wax right now because everything's kind of put away to prevent me from wanting to jump into diamond painting because I'm supposed to be cleaning. So, all right. So first on the list, I'm going to go backwards on the list. So the first person who was nominated is Grace of GB Maltese. And your person who nominated you says, she has become my friend. I've known her since I started diamond painting about 2 years ago. I found her on YouTube to find someone to teach me about diamond painting. She is always so kind and loving. She replies to every comment and question anyone has. She brightens my day with tons of laughs, and I always have a great time in her live streams. She always does a video to help you out when you have a question about how to do things. She does so many amazing things on her channel, and I appreciate her and truly love her, and she is an amazing person, and I can call her my best friend, and when I really need a friend in my life, she has always been there for me. She always goes up and beyond for anyone. I hope she knows how important she is to me and everyone else. The next person is Natalie Elle. Your nominator says, I'm nominating Natalie Elle because I told her that I had this new amazing craft. Told her about it and she decided she liked it. The girl is amazing. She's only been a new creator for a month, if that. She was so thankful to me for introducing her to this craft. She bought me a painting, as a gift of gratitude. She's amazing. She already has an amazing stash. I don't even have a stash. She made an amazing channel. Go check her out, Crafting with Natalie. Please all, she deserves all of you to subscribe and help guide her along. I feel that she deserves this nomination as she is an amazing co-creator, but most awesomely, a deserving friend. Love you, Nat. Aw. Okay, let me lay a drill down and then we'll go on to the next person. What I love about the multi-placer is that I can say, oh, in one swipe, I laid down more than one drill. So during, our DP-a-thons and times where I get talking a lot, I can do a quick multi-placer, thing. And now I've laid down, 3 or 4 drills. I'm a cheater. I know. Okay. So, the next one is Patsy M. Patsy has been a huge support to my channel and myself. She has always had an ear to listen, vent, or just shoot and then my printer didn't print out the emoji, sorry. She has helped to restore my faith in mankind, and she deserves to be Diamond Painter of the Month. All right, then we have Dawn, last initial M. She is the best mom and daughter anyone could ever have. She will do anything for you if needed. And then we have Holly R. My mom has been diamond painting for over a year, and she is the one who got me into this crazy addiction. OMG, I completely understand. I actually have a neighbor who I posted one of my finishes, which I have to video tonight for you guys, and I posted it on my personal Facebook page, and she knows I'm in diamond painting, so she's like, hey, I found this on Etsy, I need to diamond paint, do you think this is good for a beginner? And I'm like, girl, check out these channels. I started giving her the down low. I went into my this is how you diamond paint mode. I'm so excited. Have you guys ever experienced that? When somebody shows even a little bit of interest in the craft that you love, whether it's crocheting or cross stitching or scrapbooking, or diamond painting, all of a sudden, even though you're not a pro, you go into this proud mama thing where you're just a proud mama of that you even know what diamond painting is, and so you're like, I'm gonna talk some shop with you. Here's how you do it. This is how you do it, right? So, okay. Next, we have Lizzie's World of Gems. Lizzie is such an awesome creator, a great mother, and all-around great friend. Just want to let her know she is loved in return. Ooh, this one. You guys will love this one. All of our amazing crafty people. All the crafters I have seen have remained so positive. Content keeps flowing and creativity abounds in our group. For that, I am very thankful. This is a scary time and we are all feeling the pinch somewhere, but we are still seeing the silver linings in everything we do and share. So for me, in this little old Tasmania, in state lockdown, thank you, and we all continue to shed some light on the world from our little crafty corners. Girlfriend, you are so right about that. I amen to that. Okay, the next one is Mickey Sunshine. At the beginning of the process of organizing the surprise mini-a-thon, there was a creator in the chat who wanted to take part but was nervous about going live on YouTube by herself. Mickey immediately spoke up and offered to do a joined live with this person. Mickey has always been extremely caring and supportive to the entire community. We have Shelley M. Shelley is one of my best friends. She's awesome and so generous. She gives me gifts and is such a good friend to have and deserves to be Dper of the month. We have Arista. Arista is an awesome person that makes me laugh. She shares on her own life and has some fantastic diamond paintings. We have Wolfpack. I discovered Wolfpack about 3 months ago. She is so wonderful and fun and shows a variety of unboxings and whips. We have Janice. Oh, I would love to nominate Janice of Dper of the month because she is a very kind-hearted person and also an amazing girlfriend. We talk every day. Guys, see, like, this is just sharing the love. That's what Dper of the month is all about. There's a little bit of diamond painting sparkle that gets out. We get to talk each other up. We get to share comments, and then, you know, one person gets picked per month, and that person gets a gift from the community and then gets, you know, some props for the month every time we see them or anytime you hear their name, or gets a shout out during some of the lives. It's just an amazing time. So right now, pause this video, go down to the description down below. Think of one person that you would like to nominate, okay? So I am going to change it up a bit, and I am actually going to pick 2 people for the month of May. I'm going to pick the Dper of the month, and then I'm going to pick the Angel of the month, okay? So the Diamond Painter of the month will be announced publicly. The Angel of the month is the person, I'm going to pick one of the nominators, and that person is going to get a special gift from me, myself, to say thank you for nominating and just sharing the love and taking that extra step. So one gift is going to be from the community for Diamond Painter of the month for May, and one gift is going to be from me, my heart to yours, as kind of being that angel that is just spreading the love and sharing. Okay, so that's a little thing. I hope you've been listening. So go down right now and nominate. The more you nominate, the more chances you have for your person who you nominated to be May's Diamond Painter of the Month, and for you potentially to get a special gift from me. Okay, next we have Lisa B from Diamond Painting with Lisa B. I would love to nominate Lisa B for Dper of the month. I met Lisa attending several lives, and as I've gotten to know and watch her channel, I was hooked. She's such a sweet person and loves all her fur babies. I love her sense of humor, enjoy watching all her crafts that she does. And then Lisa B was nominated again. I'm nominated Lisa B because she is the sweetest lady I have met on YouTube. She loves to diamond paint, and her videos always brighten my day. Keep up the fantastic job that you do. All right, then we have Melissa E. Melissa is a good friend. She never meets a stranger. She's always willing to help someone regardless if she knows you or not. She's fun to go on trips with. She's always ready and willing to go. Laugh out loud. I love you, my friend, to pieces, and she deserves Diamond Painter of the Month. Good luck, everyone. And we have Diamond Art Addiction. She is the most honest YouTuber I follow, and I follow a lot of them. Love her mood and the way she tackles her life. Even the difficult times in her life, she tackles in a way many can realize or recognize. And then Diamond Art Addiction again. She's very real and honest in her videos. She's very gracious in her lives and allows creators to put mojo up so people can find their channels. I think it's emoji. So yes, guys, that is the list of nominators of people or nominees who are in the running for April's Diamond Painter of the Month. So now what I do is I'm going to get my trusty pen here and I go straight down this list and I just number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, so we've got 17. And then what I do is I go to this random comment picker, right? You guys see that? And I'm just gonna show you, like I haven't, I'm gonna do a refresh, okay? So I'm gonna put 17 in here, right? Then I'm gonna hit generate. And number 12. All right. So I'm gonna show you so there's no cheating. Number 12 is Lizzies World of Gems. So your person nominated you. Lizzie is such an awesome creator, a great mother, an all-around great friend. Just want to let her know she is loved in return. So shout out to Lizzie. You are the Diamond Painter of the Month for April. So go over to her YouTube channel, give her a thumbs up, give her some love. She does lives sporadically throughout the week. I believe either Tuesdays or Wednesdays. Sorry, I didn't plan this, but I'm doing a collab with her. And so I kind of have a special place in my heart for Lizzie. I promise you guys saw the whole thing. It's not rigged, but Lizzie, you deserve it. You're going to be getting a package in the mail. I have to talk with Donnie about that. It's going to be a diamond painting for you. And yeah, so thank you so much, guys. Remember, go down right now that you're done watching this video, nominate your favorite Diamond Painter of the Month. It can be your daughter, your sister, your, you know, husband. It can be anybody who loves to diamond paint, and it does not have to be a YouTube creator. And I am throwing in a special bonus for the month of May that not only is a nominee gonna win, but a nominator's gonna win, and that person's gonna get a gift from my heart to yours. And so I love you all. Thank you so much for your support for one another, for your love for one another, and for being angels to each other during this time. So love you all. Take care. Bye.